Listening skills. What are the listening skills? Making a loud sound. What are the loud sounds? How do we make? Speakers make loud sounds. What are soft sounds? Listening to a radio, listening to a music. These make soft sounds. What are the activities including different sounds? Shaking a tambourine includes the activity of different sounds. Shaking a maracas includes activity of a different sound. Shaking a rattle, it is also a different sound activity. Strike, striking a drum, it is also a different activity. Tapping a xylophone, it is also a different activity for kids. And creating a rhythmic pattern by clapping hands and tapping objects. Thank you for listening.